Kubeflow versus MLflow versus Airflow, ML pipelines versus experimental tracking versus workflow orchestration. In modern AI and data engineering, the right tool can mean the difference between smooth automation and constant bottlenecks. These three tackle a different stage of the machine learning lifecycle. One is built for scalable ML pipelines, another for experiment tracking, and the last for orchestrating complex workflows. Here's how they compare side by side. Kubeflow is a Kubernetes native platform for running end-to-end ML workflows at scale. It's designed for model training, serving, hyper-parameter tuning, and full pipeline automation, optimized for environments that already run on Kubernetes. It's powerful, but setup requires Kubernetes expertise and can be complex for small teams. MLflow is lightweight open source platform for experiment tracking, reproducibility, and modern lifecycle management. It logs metrics, parameters, and artifacts, works well with model ML frameworks, and supports deployment to various serving environments. It's straightforward to use and doesn't require deep infrastructure skills, making it ideal for data scientists. Next, Airflow is a workflow orchestration tool that schedules and manages complex pipelines. While not ML specific, it excels at connecting tasks across systems from data ingestion to model training and reporting. Airflow's strength lies in flexibility. It can automate both machine learning and broader data engineering workflows. So Kubeflow is the heavyweight choice for Kubernetes powered ML pipelines, offering deep integration with cloud native infrastructures and large scale automation. MLflow focuses on tracking, reproducibility, and deployment, making it perfect for data scientists who need organization without heavy ops overhead. Airflow is the orchestration workhorse, great for connecting and automating any pipeline, whether it's data prep, ML, or analytics. The decision comes down to scale, team expertise, and whether your main priority is orchestration, tracking, or full stack ML pipelines. Final thoughts: go with Kubeflow for large-scale Kubernetes native ML pipelines, MLflow for easy experiment tracking and model management, or choose Airflow for orchestrating and automating any type of workflow.